Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today we are going to be learning how to solve the Hannayama square puzzle by Cast Puzzles. This is a level 6 puzzle, and sometimes it is known as one of the hardest puzzles to solve, at least that I've heard. So, today we are going to be learning how to take it apart and put it back together. So, to take it apart, first thing you want to do is you want to look for the writing. Alright, we got it right here. So it's the brand name, the Square Hannayama. If you have an off-brand one, it's your problem, not mine. Hold the top two and shake it back and forth, then spread it apart and repeatedly do this and shake it. And if you have to, you can switch it to a different side. The opposite side. Oh, there it is. Right. There you go. Now, you will see that you have two gold pieces with these pins. These pins go in and come out. So, those are going to stop you from solving the puzzle unless if you do it right. Then you have the silver ones, which are the same, except they have these little ramp things right there, where the ramp going into the piece. So, you have these pieces. These are the pieces you will be working with. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to once again, look for the piece with writing on it. It will be a silver piece. Alright, I got it right here. Square Hannayama. Take that and any gold piece, doesn't matter. Now you have to fit them together. How to do that? You must hold it upright so the pins don't slide out and stop you from solving it. You must flip it to the right side. And basically, you just slide it into place. But first you have to find where it goes. So, up here, where it's together, you can slide it in, but it's not right because it opens like that. It has to open out, which means you have to like invert it to where it doesn't do that. Like in this position, slide them together, but you got to make sure the pins aren't stopping you. And then lay it down so the pins come out, so they don't come apart. Now these are stuck together. The writing one's on the bottom. Make sure it's facing correctly to where you can read it, and this will be the bottom right part of the cube. So let's set that half down there. Do the same with this half, except it doesn't matter where the writing is or not, because there's no writing on this. So just go ahead and slide them together, flip it, so that it doesn't come apart. Then, you're going to have these. But wait a minute. You have to flip this one, so the gold isn't matching with the silver. Otherwise, that can break it. Now hold them upright like this. Put them kind of together, where they're intertwining like this. And all you have to do is take the top two, push in slightly, and lift. Do this a couple times, and then boom. That's it. Let's review. So, you find the writing on the top. Two, take it apart. Then, you basically shake it, like this. You can flip it over to the opposite side. And shake it again, flip it back to the writing, and just repeat this until it comes apart. Sometimes this can take a while, because it's quite difficult to get the pins right. And there is another way. If you spin it like this, without it falling down, and that can put the pins where they need to be, in their parts. So then, you do it well enough, if you do it right. I'm really bad at it. Then you can get the pins in the right spot. But for right now, oh, there we go. Alright, now this part, you find the one with the writing. Should be this one. Turn it to where it's facing upright. Match with the gold piece, any gold piece. And you just put them together, like so, to where they open out. And then point it down so the pins lock, and you can't move it. Then make sure it's correct, like this. Gold on the top, silver on the bottom. Get the other two. Same thing, make sure the pins are in, and slide them in place. Lock the pins in place, so opposite way. If you can't open, flip the other way. Throw it like this. Then hold them up. Silver on the top here, gold on the top, bottom here, gold on the top here, silver on the bottom there. Then kind of push them together. Hear that noise where they all shake? It's all the pins. Alright? And that is how you solve the Hannayama square. And they will not come together. I mean, come apart any other way if you try and open it like this. Nope, will not happen. You have to grab the top, so either where the writing is or opposite. Anyway, that is how you solve the Hannayama square puzzle by Cast Puzzles. See you guys next time.